Hi guys, on this Father's Day, पापा कहते हैं बड़ा क्या बेटे ने नाम किया? Come let's find out.
When is Father's Day?
Is on the
next Sunday.
Next Sunday. What do you do for living?
I'm working as a software developer. So I'm planning to go to UK in next 2 months for data science course.
right now I'm working. I'm a finance manager.
I'm in a business. Should start job in some months.
I'm a data scientist right now. I've recently completed my data science course from Newton School.
Basically a marketing guy. I did a lot of consumer durables, all the multinationals. Now I'm serving the Lord.
What did 6-year-old Ragini aspire to be?
I wanted to be in a sports career.
What I want to be is an IPS officer.
Oh, I don't remember in kid because I bought it from the rural area.
The 6-year-old Soumya probably wanted to be an astronaut.
What was your father's dream for you to become?
So actually he wanted me to become a doctor.
He gave me a free hand to become whatever I wanted.
He wanted me to be a doctor, but I just wanted to be a psychologist.
He was like, you can do whatever you want.
My father probably wanted me to become an engineer only.
I mean he wanted me to not first, but yeah, he's happy with BTech.
He always wanted I should go in the doctor line.
I wanted to do a business. That's why I'm into business. Not because my father was a businessman.
You've watched Ye Jawani Hai Diwani and 3 Idiots.
Yes.
So you know Farhan's father and Bunny's father. Will he be Abba Jan from 3 Idiots or will he be Bunny's father?
I think Farhan's father. Maybe Farhan's father a bit.
Bunny's father.
I wouldn't say he was like Farhan's dad or Bunny's dad. He was like in between. Like he never stopped me. He's just told me that if you want to do it, you can do it.
Is your father proud of you?
Yes, definitely he's proud of me. Yeah.
100% I think is boasted about whatever I've achieved so far to people. He takes the credit for that. I'm happy that he's able to take credit for his kids' success,
I hope so.
Yeah, my father is pretty proud of me.
I hope so.
I think so, he's proud of me.
If through this video you want to tell him something, share something with him, what will that be?
So पापा, I always miss you. मैं हमेशा आपको याद रखती हूँ. मैं कहीं भी रहूँ, चाहे पूरी दुनिया में रहूँ, कहीं भी जॉब करूँ, बट आप हमेशा मेरे लिए एक प्रेरणा रहे हो. And because of your support, आपकी सिर्फ सपोर्ट की वजह से I'm here. And I always love you.
I would like to tell him that I love him. I have never said that to his face. So yes, I love you, Papa, a lot.
It's going to be 1 or 2 year course, so I'm going to miss you a lot.
I draw my inspiration from my father, so I've always loved him.